Hi everyone, and welcome to this brush pen 3D letter drawing tutorial. These 3D letters are very easy to make. And what you do is, for all upward going lines and sideward going lines, you take thin lines, and for the lines going down, you press harder on your pen and you instantly get that nice 3D effect. Now for the inside of the letters, you go counterclockwise, that way. Okay, now I will draw the complete alphabet for you, so you can draw along. As you can see, in the letter A, I'm going counterclockwise. And what is also very nice is that you have those letters overlap each other. So as you can see here, the letter C is just behind the letter B. The letter D is just behind the letter C, etc., etc. The E is very obvious too. And you can always correct your letters a little bit, especially in the beginning, when you're not steady yet. Just take it slow and make as many alphabets as you want. And get your hand steady and get acquainted to these 3D way of lettering. Now for the upward lines, you press very soft on your brush pen, and for all the downward lines, you press harder. You can see for the inside of all letters, I'm going counterclockwise, and for the outer lines, I go with the clock. Here's my letter U. It's a bit crooked there, but never mind. Just keep making as many alphabets as possible. Later on, you can also use a fine liner to give extra detail to the 3D thick outer lines. I'll make sure to have a print and put it in the link below. I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Good luck on your drawing, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.